Hi everyone, it's Dr. H. Good to maybe pretend see you today. Happy Tuesday. So I noticed yesterday that there was some struggling with prepositions, so I thought it would be a great opportunity today to practice those again with a simple worksheet. I did reload or add for today the list of prepositions. I also linked a Khan Academy video that discusses prepositions. It's got a cute little hamster in it. You can always, of course, go back and watch the Schoolhouse Rock or find your own video on prepositions. So the directions, well, first, prepositions go pop, because remember, preposition and then object of the preposition, the noun that follows it, makes that popping sound. A preposition is a word that shows position or directions and introduces a prepositional phrase. Examples of prepositions, and remember there's a lot of them, but common ones are around, about, to, from, near, to, already listed. Your directions for today are to highlight the preposition in the sentence and then underline the prepositional phrase. So I gave you two examples. I walked around the lake. So around is the preposition. Around the lake is the prepositional phrase. It's not walked because walked is a verb and I is a pronoun, the subject of the sentence. I said hello to my friend. Well, it's not I because that's a pronoun. It's not said because that's a verb. To is my preposition because it introduces my prepositional phrase to my friend. So what I'm going to do now is just read each of the sentences for you. I think Google Rewrite will also do this, but I know that sometimes it's a struggle to get that to work. So I'm going to read them. I'm going to pause, but you're going to want to pause the video while you do your work if you want me to read it while you're actually doing it. Does that make sense? So when I read number 1, we walked up the stairs. You're going to hit pause if you want me to then read the next one to you after you've completed the first. All right, so number 1, we walked up the stairs. Highlight the preposition and then underline the prepositional phrase. My mom took a walk around the block. Number 2, I looked under my bed. Remember, prepositions show direction or position. So think of that activity we did. I think it was with Miss White, where we put our hands near each other and around each other and behind. Those are those prepositions. Think of that activity. So I looked under my bed was number 3. Number 4, my friend jumped over the bushes. Number 5, the pen fell between our desks. What word there shows direction or position? Number 6, I walked to the store. Number 7, we walked aboard the ship. Number 8, she walked toward the teacher. Number 9, I leaned against the wall. And number 10, I looked across the room. And that's it for today's ELA assignment, except for, of course, your Freedom Journal. If you did any reading, please say you did reading. Don't forget to put it in your reading log. If you need things to read, we've provided you and your parents with lots of sites. I sent you an email yesterday with a link to those sites and to our new website that gives all the virtual resources. All right, y'all take care. See you soon, I hope.